Hey y'all, today I'm going to make hamburger steak with gravy. My mama used to make this all the time while I was growing up. This is just regular ground beef. We're going to season it well with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. We're just going to cook these until they're just about done on the inside. We'll just set this aside. You want to have about 3 tablespoons of oil or grease left in your pan. We're going to add about 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We're going to cook this just long enough for it to become a little more brown. And this is how you make homemade gravy. A little bit of oil, a little bit of flour. At this point you can use water, which doesn't have quite as much flavor. You can use beef broth, which I don't have, or you can use chicken broth. And I have chicken broth, so we're going to use it. We're just going to add it little by little until we get the consistency that we want with our gravy. And it will continue to thicken as it cooks. So we're going to add a little extra. And more seasonings. I'm going to add in about 1/4 of a sliced onion. And you can leave that out if you don't like onions, but to me it gives a little more flavor. This is about 14 ounces worth of chicken broth here. We're going to put this on low and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's give this a taste. Absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.